What's up? Good morning, everybody. Special video for you today. I am on my way to meet up with none other than Loud Truck. Sorry about that. I'm meeting up with none other than Chicago RCF with his RCF that has, top one parts, and he recently got I believe he got a catback exhaust from a Paxi. So previously he had a resonator delete. Now he went, I believe, full catback. Meet up with him, get some exhaust comparison clips between my muffler delete, which is just axle back muffler delete, and his full catback system, and we'll see what sounds better. Stay tuned. Damn, she sounds good. That is nice and loud and deep. What's up, guys? We're back. As you heard when we were cruising over here, Chicago RCF. His shit sounds insane. He got some custom work done to his RCF. Look at those burnt tips.
I have no idea how it sounds, so
he doesn't, but I hear it and it sounds good. It pops, it crackles. What's done to this exhaust, man? What did they do?
Man, to be honest, they put some kind of different piping on there. I know I had a resonator delete. If you go check that out on my channel, I had a resonator delete, and that was basically it. And then so I went to the shop. I was like, man, I need my car louder.
He needs more loud.
And I need it way more louder than what it was. So I was like, go ahead, hook me up with something. So I guess they put some kind of pipe in, and they took my mufflers off of there. Them big old heavy mufflers on there. I'm not sure if you still have yours, but
they're off.
So I'm going to take those things off, and then they, like I said, I don't know what piping they put on there, and it sounds amazing.
It sounds good, guys.
From the inside. Like I said, I don't know how it sounds from the outside.
We're going to do some exhaust clips so we can compare these things, but take a look at those burnt tips. They look badass. They stand out. Along with his...
I dragged him all the way to Chicago to do this.
That's right.
I wanted to go on Lower Whacker. That was the main reason why I told him to come out here. So I was going at Lower Whacker.
So he can make my ears bleed in Lower Whacker. That's why he brought me out here. Look at his nice red wheels.
My car is actually a little dirty right now, by the way, too.
Well, you brought us to a dirty street, man.
That's true.
Custom work.
I gotta do it walking on here.
Car looks good. Only thing I would recommend for him is to wrap his roof black like mine. It would look so much sicker. pulls, guys. We're doing some pulls for a sound comparison of these cars. Do you guys hear the pops on that thing? It is absolutely insane.
So it's done. See his car and my car. You guys comment below. Let us know that they both sound good. But
They sound good. Two different sounds. His is much deeper, louder. It pops, it cracks.
you already know.
Personally, I love the sound of his, but for my daily use, I wouldn't want something this loud and obnoxious because my wife would hate it and she would kill me. So, to each their own. His sounds badass. It does sound badass. Mine is a lot deeper, lower toned. That's what I like, but they sound good. Comment below which one you like better, and we'll see you guys on the next video.